announced the storm.
Exercise your tornado safety procedure. The threat of tornadoes is high.
The storm that will make history.
There it is. Go, 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 go.
The chase is on.
Here we go. Winds to 80 miles an hour, Mike. Winds to 80 miles an hour. Tornado on the ground. Tornado on down.
The storm grows, destined to become the first F5 to hit a major city.
And it just keeps getting bigger and bigger and faster and faster and faster. And I'm afraid at some point it's going to put down a really, really big tornado. Mike, we got debris in the air. We got debris in the air.
Get on the radio. If you don't have a picture of a tornado, do not come on the radio.
Time to reposition. Storms make their own path, chasing them a challenge. When marked roads give way to dirt, maps provide few clues.
Hang on, figure where you are. Yeah, is there a road there? Yeah. Actually, is there one further north? No. We got to go back 2 miles.
Back on pavement, back on track.
Okay, Mike, it's going back to another quarter to half-mile wide tornadoes we just talked about, and it's got winds in excess of 200 miles an hour, maybe pushing 250.
As they get closer, the storm grows, and so does their sense of its deadly intent.
It's probably going to miss Edmond, but if it comes to that trail, it's going to kill hundreds of people.
In moments, the chasers will themselves feel the fury of the storm firsthand.
Yeah, pull over here, Payne, pull over here. Hey man, stop. Holy shit. Hold on. Turn me. Stop. We got a tube forming here, man. Pull up a little bit, past the tree. What? Judge where it's coming, man. It's not moving. We're going due east, man. It's not moving northeast, north. All right, buddy. We're not going to kill you. I know you're not. I'm just trying to... Be looking for other tubes out ahead of it like we saw earlier. That's what's going to get our ass. Car! No! Back up. Get me on there. Back up. Get me on there. I'm moving back out of it. I'm too close. And here it is. Go. We're backing up.
And that is where the tape ends, but the images of what they found moments later will forever be with Dillard and Payne. It looked like a bomb had gone off. The fastest wind ever recorded on Earth, 318 miles per hour, wiped out everything in its path. 44 died, 750 were injured, more than 10,000 homes destroyed. The storm chasers even helped pull survivors from the devastation. It was an eerie reminder for us here at KXAN of 8 years ago this Friday when our photographer Mike Price chased the Gerald tornado. It too was an F5, killing 27 people. And it makes us thankful for storm spotters who keep us informed as we